My name's Mary Brooker, and my company is Mary's Muffins. Well, it started a very long time ago. I love to bake, and my background, my education is I'm a registered dietitian, and so I used to always make these muffins in the morning. I found that I was so busy getting my kids ready for school and making lunches that there were way too many times that I looked at the clock and bolted out the door for work and realized that I hadn't eaten any breakfast. So I started making muffins and freezing them, and I had this favorite muffin recipe, and I just kept tweaking it to make it healthier and healthier and healthier. And a friend said, "You need to sell these." And so I just kind of yucked it off and yeah. And I was really busy with my kids and all. And then I went to a conference at OHSU, continuing education, and they were talking about whey protein and converting to muscle mass. And I don't know, it just all clicked. So when my youngest son went off to college and I had a lot more time on my hands, I, in earnest, started the process of starting my business. Well, I took some classes at the Food Innovation Center that's connected with Oregon State, but it's in downtown Portland, and really learned a lot. And they mentioned different ways of getting that you needed to incorporate, or so they mentioned Lewis and Clark's Small Business Legal Center. So I called them, and they were very, very helpful, and it was a great experience. I needed to set up, I guess I'm probably using the wrong terminology, but to determine there's like an LLC or there's an S Corp or something. So I went there because I knew I had to do that before I opened up a bank account in the name of the business, and they helped me determine which one was best for me. And now I've actually gone back a second term, and they're helping me to establish a trademark for my meal in a muffin slogan. I've gone to SCORE, and they gave me just some paperwork on how to write a business plan, and I used that format because I had to have a business plan before Lewis and Clark would take me on to set up my LLC. Well, I think it's just, I'm learning a lot along the way, and people have been amazingly supportive, and people like food, but then I have people who I get these texts and emails from my website that are, we love your muffins, we want more. And then I just think, oh my God, this is so cool. It's just energizing and rewarding, and I feel like I have a unique product that there seems to be interest in. So, I got a text from somebody who started buying my muffins and is just one of my best customers, and buys 4 packs a week. And I got this text, and he said, "Mary's Muffins have changed my life." I could have done it. I had looked into, and I was saving, and I had an appointment to go to a private attorney to establish my LLC, and I don't think I would be applying for a trademark, to be honest with you, if I couldn't get the assistance from Lewis and Clark. I would have done it, but it would have been that much harder. And I tell everybody that I've gotten help from them, and what a great program it is. Do look into the different programs and services, because they are out there, and I think I'm probably not even aware of a lot of the other great programs that are out there. But Lewis and Clark this program was so accessible, and they were so helpful in facilitating making it happen for me, that just take advantage of the programs that are available. But if you can have mentors along the way, if you can meet people and network, that you gain knowledge through other people's experience.